heard someone say free pizza?
Yes, I have accumulated the precise amount of coupons for one free Cosmic Crust pizza.
What? You never said it was Cosmic Crust pizza.
Proximity alert.
A free Cosmic Crust pizza is nothing to get excited about. The box has more flavor than the pizza.
Flavor is not my primary objective, Ratchet. I find enormous satisfaction in fulfilling system requirements to achieve output goals.
Yeah, but Cosmic Crust, I mean, it's only popular because their ads are everywhere. Okay, I think I'm done.
May we now resume our primary mission?
Secondary mission, Clank. Cardboard crust does not qualify as a primary mission. If it were up to me, we'd be going for a nice slice of tentacle!
Computing evasive options.
The only evasive option I need is Mr. Throttle!
Perhaps an alternate course of action.
I'm not done yet! So, do we need to discuss the giant tentacle that just tried to yank us into oblivion?
Curious, it emerged from a short-term interdimensional portal.
Portal technology? Imagine what we could do with that!
Ratchet, I hope you're not...
Tracing the energy signature of that hypertech so I can nab it for myself? Great idea, Clank.
No, it is not. I've spent many solar cycles aggregating pizza coupons. It is very important.
Found it!
Huh? Oh dear. No, Ratchet. You promised.
Come on, Clank. This'll be fun.
For you, yes. Your activities always take precedence over mine.
Okay, not true. I mean, yeah, look, what about that time, well, okay, and you know, I mean, this is gonna be quick. We'll just fly in, take a quick look, see what...
The well-fortified, nigh-impervious base of galactic supervillain, Dr. Nefarious? Oh, dear.
First, he brought you the world-shattering deplanetizer. Then, the soul-crushing bio-obliterator. Now, here to reveal his most terrifying, diabolical, and just downright nasty invention. Give a big warbot welcome to your favorite evil overlord, Dr. Nefarious!
Thank you all for coming to my latest evil product launch!
Wait, we had a choice?
Mindless minions, behold! My most fearsome and dangerous weapon yet! The Portalizer! Patent pending, all rights reserved. With this device, I can rip portals in the very fabric of time and space, even into other dimensions.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes! Come on, let's get closer.
No, Ratchet.
Such as the dimension of man-eating kittens, the land where robots grow body hair. I'm guessing the Calamari Quadrant? And finally, a domain brimming with creatures so ruthless, so blood-sucking, so terrifying, they'll make your head spin. My most recent discovery... Sid! I told you to make sure this thing was charged up.
Did you calibrate it properly, sir?
Calibrate it properly. I'll calibrate you.
But did you set it to interdimensional instead of local?
Oh. Of course I set it to interdimensional. As I was saying, the Pizzaverse!
The pizza what now?
Now, say hello to a 367-topping pizza.
Now that's a pizza.
Ratchet, wait.
Disgusting. No matter. With this portalizer, I can access every corner of the multiverse. Each dimension, a smorgasbord of minions to add to my nefarious ranks. To help me conquer and rule all dimensions! And it comes with this handy lanyard.
Lanyard.
Hey, Ratchet and Clank, seize them!
Ratchet, what are you...
Less talky, more escapey.
There is no escaping! Wait, is that even a word?
It is now. See you later, suckers! And we're back.
Somebody annihilate them! Enough slap and tickle! Find them!
There they are, sir.
My portalizer! No!
Oh, Janice.
Oh, Lance! I don't care if you are my best friend's evil twin brother.
Yes, that was the best escape ever.
Uh-oh. A checksum of my coupon storage indicates an error. I now have only 9 units, not 10.
Really? Ah, wow. I mean, you must have lost one of them during our awesome escape. Well, that's too bad.
It is far worse than bad. With only 9 coupons, free pizza acquisition is no longer an option. Oh, this never would have occurred if we did not detour from our mission.
Ah, come on. That was so cool, though. And now we get a great pie in the Pizzaverse.
My distress is not about the pizza, Ratchet. It is about my failure to complete a numerical task.
You want numbers? How about 367 layers of deliciousness?
Stop this, Ratchet. This device is too unpredictable and dangerous to be used for...
Pizzaverse, here we come! It's so beautiful. Hey, but pizza! No, come back! Wait, Clank, what are you doing?
Initiating control override.
What? Cut it out!
Portaling into an unknown dimension could imperil the entire galaxy. All that to procure a pizza?
With 367 toppings, now give me back the control of my ship!
Ratchet, you have ignored all of my requests today, so now I am the operating system. I will return control once we safely deliver this portalizer to the authorities.
This is about you losing that coupon, isn't it?
No, it is about me protecting our galaxy.
Yeah, now, you know what I mean. You and your numbers and functions and rules. Yeah, I mean, it's amazing we get anything done when someone keeps getting his little metal panties in a bunch.
Invalid data. I do not wear undergarments, metal or otherwise. Once this device is safe in the Galactic Weapons Museum, we shall return to our quest for pizza.
Cosmic crust barely qualifies as pizza, and every time you eat it, you gotta look at the ugly mug of... that guy.
You're fired, and take this with you. You can't fire me. I am Captain Quark, our galaxy's greatest hero. You need me more than I need you. Huh? What? Oh, come on. Let's give me another chance. I can be your sassy pizza cow. Moo.
Ugh. Whenever we run into this doofus, he messes everything up.
He annoys you, does he? Oh, Captain Quark, could you please accompany us to the Weapons Museum?
Clank, what are you doing?
It is like you said earlier.
Come on, Clank. This will be fun.
A weapons museum? Sounds like you're on an important mission to safeguard the galaxy, and keeping us all safe is what I do best. Oh, come on, citizens. Nothing to see here.
Oh, such a bad idea, Clank. Where'd that idiot run off to anyway?
Sorry, guys. Almost forgot my associate. Never leave a man behind. So, what's so special about your little doohickey thingamajiggy?
It is a
Nothing. It's, tedium sorter. It tediously catalogs your most boring memories into different shades of beige.
Yeeon!
Phew.
Actually, it is a multi-dimensional access tool with the power to wreak havoc on the very fabric of time and space.
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
But it's gotta be protected so it won't fall into the wrong hands.
Ow!
Right, Clank?
Indeed. Device security has been my goal ever since you carelessly deployed it to acquire a 367-topping pizza from the Pizzaverse.
A pizza with 367 toppings? That's way better than Cosmic Crust. Wonder if they need a new spokes model. Yeah, I mean, right this way. Welcome to the Weapons Vault, the most secure part of the museum, thanks to dedicated guards like Bruce here. All your favorite weapons are right here.
Oh my.
The Buzzblade, the Warmonger, the Bio-Obliterator.
Hey, watch it!
Whoops, my bad, Bruce. Of course, that pales in comparison to this bad boy. Come on, don't say that. Words hurt.
Perhaps we should secure the portalizer now. Once we initiate the upload procedure, it will be cataloged and securely stored.
Good. We don't need any more distractions.
Distractions? There are plenty of distraction weapons in this vault. For long-term distractions, nothing beats the Groovatron. If you're caught in its blast radius, you'll boogie the night away. Need a quick distraction? Try the Taunter! But my favorite is the Chimpo-Matic. No hard feelings, boys. You'll be back to normal before you can say lucrative endorsement deal. Ha! Faked him out with the old Chimpo-Matic. Now, let's see what this thing can do. It's so beautiful. Greetings, Pizzaverse. Say hello to your new spokesman. Well, hello there, little pizza toppings. You all look so happy and yummy. Same with you. And you. And you. No one likes pineapple on pizza.
I am King Topping, supreme leader of the Pizzaverse.
Really? Then you're just the one I need to speak to about a unique branding opportunity.
Attack Toppings, destroy him! And do it Pizzaverse style, with free delivery to his doom!
Stop that! Can this really be happening? After years of eating pizza, will pizza now eat me?
I can't believe he used the Chimpo-Matic on us. I mean, who knows how much trouble he'll cause? Quark! What did you do?
Oh, nothing you two can't handle.
Resistance is futile! Prepare to be annihilated!
A pineapple?
Apparently a very angry pineapple.
Destroy him!
I mean, who puts pineapple on a pizza anyway?
Statistically speaking, the combination of sweet and savory flavors are enjoyed by many.
Statistically speaking, I am not one of them. And by the way, this is all your fault?
On the contrary, it is you, Ratchet, who obtained and misused a portalizer.
Whatever! Let's pound these pizza punks before it gets any worse!
Verbal and scrappy bot! Return my portalizer now, or suffer my wrath! Or we can just cut to the wrath.
It just got worse! We sure could use that portalizer right about now!
Negative. The portalizer has proven to significantly decrease our chances of survival.
If we just kept the portalizer to ourselves, none of this would have ever happened. But you, Clank, you had to bring us here.
And you, Ratchet, you suck.
Huh? What?
The suck cannon. Thank you for your assistance. I shall retrieve more gadgets from the weapons museum. Well, you suck.
No, I mean, that's what I thought you meant. Sucks to be you.
Let me pass, or I shall deliver a disabling force upon your chassis. Very well. Hollow Knuckles, activate.
Nothing to fear, citizens. Captain Quark has got things under control.
Quark, where's the portalizer?
I've got my top man on the job. He guards all of my important stuff. Hey! Huh? No! Don't leave me! Never leave a man behind!
Come on, Clank. We gotta speed this up.
Ratchet, raise your cranium.
What?
Heads up.
The Groovatron?
I've determined that this weapon will provide the greatest probability of success.
Well, it's better than nothing. Get ready to shake your groove thing. Way to bring on the boogie, Clank. Thanks.
No, it is I who should upload expressions of gratitude to you.
Yeah, well, good things happen when we work together.
Agreed. And I accept your apology.
No, see, that wasn't an apology.
Yes, it was.
No,
They have upgraded their defenses, but we can enter the facility here.
Okay, but how do we even get close enough to reach that? I mean, Clank? Clank! What are you doing?
It is called pulling a ratchet. Entry port located.
Nice move, buddy. You're almost there. Just a little to your right. Oh, too much.
Oh, so much for improvising. Oh.
You crazy little bot! Just get inside and I'll create a diversion. Well, this isn't exactly what I had in mind.
Oh, look what the robots dragged in. A cat. Here, kitty, kitty.
Actually, they carried me in, and I'm a Lombax.
Don't interrupt me while I'm taunting you!
Totally different species. Shh, just saying.
Silence! You are what I say you are, and I say you are doomed!
Clank, you made it.
Did you say something, Furball?
Oh, yeah, I said it'd be great to see some more of your evil product launch.
Well, I really do love my evil product launches. Zed! Go! Behold, a revolution in evil tech! I present to you... Cardboard Quark? Return my portalizer, you pathetic promotional item gone awry!
Oh, my pizza coupon.
Oh! Scrappy butt!
Ow, whoa, whoa.
I should have known you wouldn't be far from your furball friend. For interrupting my product launch, you will be the first to suffer a very painful annihilation! Any last words?
No words. Only a series of letters and numbers. SV-604.
Backup gloves.
Now you've ruined my product launch! And you're ruining my space station!
Janet, I'm not your best friend, evil twin brother. I am his evil clone.
I don't care about the evil clone. Just hold me tight and never let me go.
Wait, Ratchet. We have to go back.
Why? So you can get this?
My pizza coupon.
Grabbed it on the way out. You didn't think I'd forget about you fulfilling system requirements to achieve output goals, did you?
How dare you!
Oh, you'll have to forgive Bruce, Your Highness.
It's his first day as a sheep.
We'll talk. My people will call your people. It's safe to come out now, citizens. Captain Quark has saved you all once again.
Yeah, thanks for saving us from a problem you created.
You're welcome, citizen.
Yeah, what a bonehead. I still can't believe you brought Quark along just to mess with me.
Yes, Operation Payback complete. Now the portalizer is secure and safe from both supervillains and superheroes alike.
Goodbye, 367 topping pizza.
And from hungry Lombaxes.
Yeah, well, I guess a free cosmic crust pizza is better than no pizza at all.
Make that free and numerically satisfying Cosmic Crust Pizza.
Proximity alert.
You did that on purpose.
Sorry, couldn't resist.
Oh, Janet.